Are you going to sign the citation?
Did I say yes? You're recording, right?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so you've heard me say yes.
Double check.
And I've said yes, correct?
That's perfectly fine.
Did I say correct? Did I say yes? I want to hear you say yes that I said yes.
Yes, you said yes,
okay.
But I'm double checking because I'm wanting to know why you haven't signed it.
Okay, and I will sign it after I talk to your supervisor.
That's fine.
Okay.
It's not going to be the one that whether you sign the citation or not.
It's not. I'm not asking him for if I sign the citation.
And I understand that.
Okay.
But I'm wanting us to finish our business that's at hand right now.
But
he's on his way down.
And I will finish our business once I talk to your supervisor.
That's fine. You're more than welcome to talk to him.
I appreciate it.
You want to file a complaint or anything like that? Best go down to.
I already know where it's at.
Dixon, Tennessee.
I know where it's at. I grew up here.
Excuse me?
I said I grew up here. I know where it's at.
Well, I need that clipboard and citation back till he gets here.
Okay.
The clipboard and citation, not your driver's license.
I know. I heard you. I'm giving the officer back his clipboard and citation. Respectfully. Here's your pen. Let me go this way. Here we go. Look at that. Right there, through the window. Not on purpose?
Mr. Gordon, this is my supervisor, Sergeant Travis Pulley.
Appreciate it. Hi, how are you doing? So, like he said, is my window, I decided not to roll it down. His clipboard can fit in here. As he was trying to fit it in here, before he fit it in here, he was just, you know, shoving it into the window.
Video later.
Say that again.
I'll review that video later.
You don't have video because it's not on his body. It's just on his.
But you need to sign the citation.
And I told him after I talked to you,
custody.
I
That's
said
your two options.
I've already agreed to him that I would
Okay, well,
sign
sign
it, and then I would talk to you. So I will sign it once I talk to you. Oh, now he wants to slide it in here all nice and neat. So then, whenever
Go ahead and sign that citation.
I'm signing it. Is it against the law not to sign it?
Yes, it is. You
We'll
can go
take
to
you
jail
to
for
jail.
it.
Okay. Well, I've already
Please
told
sign
him.
the
I've already
citation.
told. Didn't I tell you?
Once. You've been explained by my supervisor. Now, if you don't sign the citation, we will take you out of the car and take you into custody. So it's your choice.
Okay.
Sign the citation or go to jail.
Officer Daniels, I'm going to sign the citation.
Okay, well, go ahead and sign
Okay.
it.
They're at the bottom beside the X.
I got it. I'm just reading the. So it's signed, right? Cool.
All right, now have my clipboard and
What's your badge number?
206. It's on the
It's
side.
on-
206. I know it's just very hard to read the
Okay, I'll
the
make sure
hard
it's on the
copy.
other side for you.
And then, so I'm still going to talk to you, right?
Pen now.
Do what?
I'm still going to get to talk to you, right? The
Yeah, you
copy's
won't be
signed. I'm
right
not going
about
anywhere
Go
with
ahead
it.
and hand it out to me and I'll give it to you.
So I would like to talk to you. That's
Okay,
all I'm
that's
asking
fine.
you to
I'll
do.
give my
Okay.
citation.
Okay. I'm just
Okay,
making
yeah.
sure that I get to talk to somebody and he doesn't get to run off. Here's your pen back.
I can put my name on there.
There you go.
All right, if you want to file a formal complaint, you can come to the Dixon Police Department. And
So
talk to
see
us
that.
about
So
it.
you're not going to listen, right? This
I'm not with the
what
wind halfway road,
what's
no
your
doubt, 'cause
what's
I
your
can
badge
only
number?
hear you. You can
What's
come
your
to the
badge
police
number?
department, Badge 163. You can come to the police
163,
department
and your name
file-
again is
file
what?
a complaint.
Officer Sergeant Pulley of the Dixon County Police Department.
Make sure you
That's
get
how we
that
handle
copy.
people. I'll be going straight there.